So was it karma teaching me a lesson for trying to be cheeky with these police? Or was it just bad luck? I'm not sure. Previously on Leon and Tash. I'm going to try and get snagged by the infamous Mui Ne cop stop. Gone past them twice and I might be pushing my luck. Come back a third time. I think that's it. So after the failed police stop, I was making my way back to the hotel and I was having a little fun with these guys. Until I saw these guys. Again, they looked, but they didn't do anything. So I carried on my way, thinking everything was all good. But on the ride back, my speedo's gone and crapped itself. I happened to look down and noticed it's just dangling down the bottom. The needle ain't pointing to any numbers. And we got one more stop before we head back to Saigon, and I need a speedo in Saigon. I'm heavy-footed, heavy-handed on a bike, if you like. I get real loose on the gas, and so I need to know what speed I'm doing, or I'm going to be getting tickets all day, every day. So, being into Honda, they've asked me to come back in half an hour. Fingers crossed, Honda can sort me out nice and easy. Karma, I'll tell you, she's a well, you can see the bike just out there. Unfortunately, it needs a whole new dash unit. So I'm just stoked they had one in stock. Get it fixed, back on the road in no time. Not in Honda anymore, as you can tell. So I left Honda, grabbed Tash from the hotel and headed out to grab a feed because I was hungry. I can guarantee Tash was hungry. But all up, 611,000. And the biggest killer on that was the new gauge cluster, 529,000. The rest was 70,000 on labour, 11,000 on some screws and nuts that apparently were missing. So I'm happy, I'm sweet. Thank you again, Honda. But that's going to be it for now. I'm calling it a day there. I'm about done with the bike for now. And to all our regular tribe, big thumbs up to you guys. Appreciate your support. We'll see you in the next one.